On October the 6th and 7th of this year, we're going to be celebrating the 50th anniversary of Reformed Theological Seminary. We started with 14 students in 1966. Today, well over 1,500 students at any given time are studying at Reformed Theological Seminary. Not simply in Jackson, but in 8 cities in 8 states around the United States, plus a global program that reaches students from every continent, and a doctoral program in Sao Paulo, Brazil, comprise RTS. And on October the 6th, we're going to be doing something of a homecoming. There will be former presidents and chancellors, former professors and students gathering in Jackson to celebrate what the Lord has done. Our theme that night will be Trust, Love, Serve. Why? Because we've been teaching students to trust Jesus, trust the Bible, trust the gospel, trust the truth for 50 years, to love God with all their heart, soul, mind, and strength, and to love people, as well as to serve the church and serve the world for the last 50 years. That's our vision at Reformed Theological Seminary. We want to talk about what God has done, what He is doing, and what we're praying that He will do in the years to come. Please join us as we gather to celebrate God's goodness to us and a tremendous mission and opportunity for ministry as we celebrate 50 years of Reformed Theological Seminary.